Hi, my name is Ahmad, Sales and Application Engineer from Firmtech Electronics. Today, I'm going to present you about Amprobe IRC 114 infrared camera. Let's go! So we are finished with unboxing. So it comes with the user manual, a free lanyard, three AA batteries, and also Amprobe IRC 110 infrared camera. Amprobe IRC 110 is infrared camera, a point and shoot camera. It's very rugged and very durable. It has an intuitive joystick to select screen and menu. It's very small size and lightweight. It has a 3 different color palette with 4 stages of image blending. It has a resolution of 0.1 Celsius and 20 to 1 spot. For more information, you can contact us at www.firmtech.com.